I'm here at Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi on a Wednesday, and the place is pretty empty. This is home of the world's fastest roller coaster, Corsa Rosa. It does 149 miles an hour or 240 kilometers per hour. We were able to get on the ride in less than 10 minutes. During the week, while the kids are in school here, there is absolutely very little lines. You can get on any ride without an issue. I highly recommend coming during the week, as on the weekends the lines and queues swell to over an hour. We were able to ride every big roller coaster without waiting more than 10 minutes. Now here the theming is on par with Disney, the cleanliness, the merchandise. Now one of the great things with this place is it's connected to a very nice and upscale mall. Yas Mall has tons of shops and dining. They have a lot of American food and dining options such as Rainforest Cafe, Texas Roadhouse. So it's easy to just go over to the Yas Mall for a few hours, get something to eat, and then come back in the evening when there are even less lines. So I highly encourage coming during the week, and that way you can get through all the attractions without any stress. Now, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below, and I hope that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.